Now is an interesting question. Narad Muni is asking, how many times should one chant this mantra? Is it just once? How many times should one technically chant this mantra? Now, this is the icing on the cake of our discussion. Brahma is saying, Yadasya Shodikasya Sardha Trikoti Japati Tada Brahmahatyam Tarati Veerahatyam Swarnasteyam Puto Bhavati Pitrudeva Manushyanam Apakarat Puto Bhavati. If one chants this Mahamantra, Ardha Trikoti. 3 means 3, Koti means crore. 3 crore, Ardha, half. 3.5 crore times Japati. If one chants this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, complete Hare Krishna Mahamantra, 3.5 crore times in one life, then what happens? He absolves himself of the sins of killing a Brahmana or a Kshatriya, stealing of gold, engaging in sexual activity even with the wife of one's superiors, engaging in harmful activities towards living beings and forefathers, and all the sins included. So all the sins can be destroyed if one chants this Mahamantra 3.5 crore times in one life. Now let's do the math, okay? We go doing the math. We chant 16 rounds, right? And each round is 108 times. So 1728 times we chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra in our 16 rounds every day, because each round has 108 beads, so that's one mantra a bead 108 times, and 16 such rounds, so that comes to 1728 times the Hare Krishna Mahamantra is chanted. Now if this is one day, okay, so you go times 365, which is for a year you chant, and then you go 56 years, 56 times, and that comes to 3.5 crore Hare Krishna Mahamantras, which means if we have to reach the target of 3.5 crore Hare Krishna Mahamantras in one life, then you have to chant 16 rounds every day for 56 years. That's right. 56 years of human life, you chant 16 rounds every day. Then you finish the target of 3.5 crore Hare Krishna Mahamantras. 55.5 or 56 technically, to be safe over the boundary. So what that means is, you have to chant 56 years to absolve of all karmic reactions. All the karma is broken to pieces. Then after that, when you continue chanting, ecstatic symptoms, hair will stand on end, tears will flow, and one will have separation mood. Now, how many of us have 56 years left? I don't think even I have 56 years left. We add in the 80s, 28 plus 56, you see. Even I don't have it. So what to speak of those older to me? You may not. But to speed up the process, let's half the number of years, which means if you have to finish it in 28 years, you have to double the chanting, which means you have to chant 32 rounds every day to finish this quota in 28 years, which is still possible. And if you really want to do it faster, then you chant 64 rounds, which you finish the whole karmic cycle in 14 years, which means now we are in 2020 by chanting 64 every day. By 2034, 14 years from now, 15 years from now, technically, let's say, to be on the safe side, by 2035, we have all of our karma broken and thrown into the trash can, completely disrupted by the chanting of the holy name. So what is stopping us?